How to add music to your Canva video. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to easily add music to your Canva videos. Whether you are creating content for social media, a presentation, or even a project, adding music can take your videos to the next level. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, go to your Canva website. And once you are logged in, open the video project where you want to add the music. And if you don't have the video ready yet, you can create new one by selecting the video template or uploading your clips. And once you are done selecting your video, simply navigate to the audio section in Canva. And here is how you can do it. On the left hand menu, click on the apps option. Now scroll down to find audio under the More from Canva section. And if you don't see it immediately, use the search bar to look for audio. And this will take you to Canva Music Library, where you will find a variety of tracks categorized by genre, mood, and purpose. Now it's time to pick your music. Browse through the free and premium options. Preview tracks by clicking the play icon, and once you have found a track you like, you can follow these steps. You can simply click on the music track to add it to your videos, and the audio will appear as a waveform beneath your video timeline. Now let's fine tune the audio to make it perfect for our video. And here is what you can do. Drag the edges of the audio clip to trim it to your desired length. Adjust the volume by clicking the three dots on the audio track and selecting volume. Lowering the volume can help avoid overpowering your video content. Add effects like fade in and fade out for the smooth transactions. And once I have perfectly synced the audio clip with the video, it's time to export it. Click the share button in the top right corner of the Canva editor and select download. Choose MP4 video as a format to ensure that audio options is included. And finally, click download to save the video to your laptop. And that's it. You have successfully added music to your Canva video. It's a straightforward process that can make a big difference in how your videos are perceived. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.